went to Chuck's Auto Salvage. Great place, check them out. I know all the guys, I used to work there. They have very good parts, very clean parts. I'll show you this tranny when we get it out at the shop. And then I'll show you the tranny I got from another salvage yard. Now, I'm not going to mention the other salvage yard's name, but this is a second transmission we're putting in this Jeep, and I haven't even driven it 300 miles since I bought it. Basically, it's a 08 Compass, which I'm sure you've seen some other videos if you've been around the channel. If not, go check them out. But basically what happened was I bought it, and we put a tranny in it, and the tranny was a little weird. Now, CVTs are weird to begin with, so I was like, so I had my buddy Quee, Lehigh Valley Transmissions in Topton. Never need any work done, check him out. He does trannies, transfer cases, all driveline stuff. I think they even do regular mechanical work, I'm not sure, but if you need anything and you're close to him, give him a ring-a-ling, and he rebuilds them. He does everything. He's a great guy, family-run business. But anyway, so he said, hey man, I checked it out, you're right, this thing's junk. Basically what happened is, you said the car was in a collision, it either got hit in the front or the rear extremely hard, and what happened was it threw the pulleys. It's like it's a big pulley system in there. It's a CVT transmission, so it acts like a snowmobile if you're familiar with those, but basically there's pulleys in there and there's belts in there, and that's what rides and makes everything happen. So it got hit so hard, which is common when these get hit, it actually throws the pulley out of alignment, and you cannot fix it without going through the entire training. He said it's not worth it for me to touch it, which is why I go to him, because he'll say to you, hey, I can do this, but honestly it's not worth it. That is great in a mechanic, and then you can make the decision what you want to do, but he's giving you an educated diagnosis and knows exactly, and he actually used to rebuild these, so he is very familiar with these things. So he said it's not even worth it. You have a warranty on it, take it back and get another one, which is what I did. So the place I got it from didn't have another one, so I went to Chuck's in Douglasville. It was the one I used to work at. They also have one in York, PA. They offer excellent warranties, excellent customer service, and I would recommend them highly if you need anything. They offer lifetime warranty on drivetrain stuff. They can get stuff from all across the United States. So they can even get rust-free stuff, which is important here in PA because we don't have very many options. If you live up here, you know what that's like. But they get stuff from Texas, rust-free stuff. So basically, we're just driving now. I'm going to the shop. This was $1,000. So there's a $50 core and tax, and it was like $1,000. So I'll get 50 back. It'll end up being what, like $950 or something like that. So not a bad deal. Very happy with that, and we'll catch up with you when we're at the shop. They temporarily they changed the oil, and then they kept filling the hydraulic fluid up until it wouldn't. Until it stopped leaking, basically. So they just ran the hydraulics super low, so it wouldn't go into the crankcase. And then, so I mean, I don't think that's a good solution.
No, you're right. The pump is cold, right?
Especially when it has a loader on it, so a loader's gonna take more capacity.
Yeah, and why it's acting goofy makes perfect sense.
But I bet you this is just like slightly low.
See what he wants to do. I recommend, of course, getting
either this one rebuilt or a new one.
Yeah.
Or a rebuilt one already.
I'll look into that. I'll run down to Kubota too.
Thanks for calling Running Tractor Equipment. This is Ashley speaking. How may I help you?
Can I have parts, please?
Yes, this is Parts. I can help you.
Oh, great. I have a Kubota B1750, and I'm looking to get a price on a hydraulic pump.
Now that machine, it is four-wheel drive hydrostatic transmission, correct?
Yes.
Babe.
I don't see nothing. You just hit the rubber. Get on tape?
I don't know.
Because if you didn't, Sam, we have to do it again.
No, you're not doing it again. You hit the damn thing.
See why things take so long? Took a bracket off that you got a chain that you can hook right to
I got
the bracket.
other bracket. I got both the whole bracket on because I got the cable on it.
I don't care.
I'm not using this bracket.
I don't care what you're doing. I'm just trying to get out of the car.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Get it from Chuck's and you don't have a big oily mess. Get it from competitors and you have a car full. Alright guys, so as you can see, you see how it's not really wet down there at all? You see how like it's all nice? Well, here's the one that came from the competitor. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. So you can see that sometimes you pay a little bit more, but you get a lot better product because now you are the person that's installing it isn't fighting with grease and oil and all kinds of dirt. So it's really up to you what you want to do. I went the cheap way, of course, but as you can see, we're putting a second one in. So how much money did I really save? Zero. Look at that.
It's designed for.
Meant to be.
Just unhook the chain. So I'm gonna have to put it back
Oh,
on
yeah.
the chain.
I forgot. Why you have to put it back on the chain?
Because that's how I'm gonna lift it up through the bottom.
Oh,
That's how it makes it so much easier.
you said gravity did the work.
Gravity doesn't take it back up.
So
I can't reverse it in this
did you
garage.
hook the chain up the last time? Did gravity do the work with or without the chain attached?
With the chain attached. So I went down slowly.
Uh,
But gravity is not, I can't flip it. There's no switch for it.
You sure?
Right.
There actually is a switch for gravity.
In space.
No, they have those anti-gravity rooms or whatever. They still don't know about the new project, but
Who's that?
hey,
The Facebookers or YouTubers or whatever you want to call them.
alright guys, here's where I smack this off my grill. Ready?
A little bit yet. Alright. Hand me that box so I can stand on something since I'm too short to reach it. Alright, Carl, take it up a couple pump. Just gotta get it to clear. Alright, things going, spinning like crazy. Hold on. Got a transmission dangling down there.
It just hit the motor.
I think it's a 9/16 wrench I'm gonna need. Gotta take out the holder for the torque converter they have in here. Take it back. Hold the whole hoist back a little bit. Alright. Now take it up. Keep going. Alright, hold on. Go slow. Take it up a little bit, yeah. One more. Alright, hold on for a sec. Can you get under there? Fun part. All I'm going to do now is put in these bottom bell housing bolts, the ones I can reach. And I'm going to start working with that rear motor mount. Mount that goes to the transmission, I should more say.
So we're back at the shop, and as you see, we got the tranny unloaded. We showed you that, and we also are in the process of getting it put in right now. Wayne's under there, getting everything all tightened up. We have it set in place. So all we really got to do is get tightened down, bunch of lines and nonsense hooked back up, CV axles thrown in, spindles and spindles and struts back together. So, you know, a little bit of work, but at least it's going back in, so hope this one works. The other one did not, so there's been 2 transmissions that have failed in this vehicle so far. So hopefully third time's a charm, and I don't think we're going to finish up today, but we'll show that on a future shop vlog. So also a little bit of an update on this guy. We ordered some filters and stuff in for it, and we noticed the oil was over full, which is very odd. So we did a little bit of searching, found out that apparently these B1750 Kubotas have an issue where the hydraulic pump actually bleeds and leaks into the oil crankcase for the engine. So I don't know, you can't really, it's down in there, right there. So we're going to be replacing that. The guy gave the okay, and we're also going to be doing a full tune-up or maintenance schedule on it. So we're going to have that coming up soon, hopefully. But yeah, unfortunately, the only spot to get that pump was Kubota, but they're not too bad. It was something like $450, something like that. So we're going to do that, and we're going to do the maintenance on it. Hopefully get all those issues taken care of for this guy. So we had to go out and do some stuff for the decal business that was close to the shop. So we did that because that's not close to our house. So we did that, and we were gone about an hour. So the transmission's completely bolted in. The starter bolts are going in now. So we're looking pretty good. Next video, we should be able to have this thing running and test it out, see if it works. I still got to pick up fluid. It does call for special CVT fluid. We did put, did you put the filters in yet?
Not in the transmission yet. I don't even have the pan off yet.
Did you put the one in the cooling side?
Oh, not yet.
So there's two filters. They're new. They have to go in as well. And then we can get her topped off, hook up all this miscellaneous hose crap, get the CV axles back in, and you know, get the struts and stuff thrown back in. So hopefully next time you see a video from the shop, this thing will be running and driving, and then for sale. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you check out those links in the description for our decals. We got an eBay and an Etsy store. Also, hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments if you have any questions or anything. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.